Also, I really care about social justice, so what I want to say is that I really appreciate your comments, Naomi, about the idea of creating legislation so the companies could, the employees are the first creditors when the company goes bankrupt. And I realized that legislation is never passed by legislators unless there's pressure to do that. Otherwise, they would just sit down and sit with the status quo and be happy that nobody's complaining. So I have a suggestion, and one of the things that I've really thought about a lot over several years is that workers are really marginalized that are part-time workers, because the employers really get off the hook with part-time workers. And my suggestion is that we legislate that every company that's a legitimate company has to buy into a benefits package, which includes EI, health, dental, and pensions. And that for every part-time worker that you have, they have a choice to come into that package, and then the employer pays his or her portion of that based on the number of hours, prorated to the number of hours that the employee works. And I think that would really cut down on the amount of employers that try to get 15 part-time workers instead of 7.5 full-time workers. And it would really help people to have a safety net and some security. Thanks for listening.
Thank you.